Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Thursday morning forecast update. Pretty active weather here for the next 48 hours or so, as today we'll definitely feel that warming trend continue, and that warming trend really kicking in ahead of our next cold front, which will be arriving likely just a few hours after sunset on Friday. So we do have the threat of seeing some strong to severe storms. This would likely be from about 5 or 6 p.m. Friday until maybe 2 or 3 in the morning on Saturday. So this will be a late night severe weather threat for us on Friday. It looks like all threats will be on the table here, especially for some damaging wind gusts, but a few tornadoes will be possible as well. And we can definitely see some hail with some of the storms that are out there, but again, that will not be today. That will be late Friday. For your Thursday, we'll start to feel those changes ahead of the cold front. We do have a breezy south wind that has developed during the overnight hours. That south wind will really warm us up today. In fact, we've actually seen the temperatures go up overnight, and that trend will continue during the day today, as we should have highs in the mid-70s in most areas. We'll have enough clouds out there. We won't break any record highs today, but I think record high is a good possibility for us on Friday ahead of that next cold front. So stepping outside this morning, it's still cool out there, but your temperatures are in the 50s. Last few mornings we've been in the 30s in most areas, so big change for us by comparison. We've got that mild air in place this morning. So far, no rainfall, and I would say the chance for any rain is relatively low for us today, but you can see a few showers popping up close to the Arklatex. But in addition to that very slight chance of rain, we'll see those clouds kind of stream through today. So turning into a mostly cloudy and breezy day. The winds this morning still lower than 10 miles per hour in most areas, but the sustained winds out of the southwest about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Today we'll probably have a few wind gusts of 20 to 25 miles per hour, and that warm south wind, really what warms our temperatures today, is we'll be up to 76 in Shreveport and about 75 degrees this afternoon in Texarkana. So there's our next storm system. It's beginning to make its way into the U.S. coastline. You can see the rain picking up in California as well as Nevada this morning, and that will be the front that kind of makes its way across the country here over the next 36 hours. Out ahead of that front today, we'll continue to see those mostly cloudy conditions, and you can see maybe a little bit of light rain popping up here, especially south of Interstate 20, but don't get your hopes up about seeing much of any rain today. I think it will be a dry day for most of us. Breezy again tomorrow. Highs near 80 degrees, so we should break some record highs tomorrow. And then the timing of the storms here, you can see 6 p.m. We're still looking relatively quiet, and FUTURECAST doesn't show the storms popping up until about 9 or 10 p.m., and then those storms quickly sweeping through the Arklatex here. So it is possible we'll see some of these storms linger past midnight, so just make sure you have a way to receive weather warnings tomorrow. Again, set the phone alerts, your emergency alerts on your phone, something that can wake you up if you're sleeping late Friday, early Saturday. And there are some severe weather warnings issued for your location. Rain should be out of here by the time we get to Saturday morning. Doesn't look to be a ton of rain here, but we could see some locations pick up maybe a quarter to half an inch of rain, if not some isolated higher amounts. So not a big rainmaker for us, but this front will sure bring some cool air with it as we'll drop into the 50s on Saturday. Breezy day Saturday as well, so again, for those outdoor activities, it will be a cold day on Saturday. Sunshine, lighter winds, so Sunday will feel a lot better for us, and we've got some great weather next Monday through Wednesday, as we'll likely warm back into the 70s for a few days next week. It does look like we'll see some rain returning perhaps next Thursday and Friday.